Are you tired of waiting forever for your hair to grow? You're not alone. Whether you're trying to recover from a bad haircut or just want longer, healthier locks, we've all been there. The good news is, there are natural and effective ways to speed up your hair growth. No harsh chemicals, no expensive salon treatments, just simple, science-backed tips that actually work. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your hair grow faster and naturally. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Eat healthy food. No matter what kind of physical improvement you're aiming for, a healthy diet will always be a prerequisite for it. Like other parts of your body, the hair also needs nutrition to grow healthily. The hair will only be able to achieve that if you eat healthy food. Try consuming food that is loaded with vitamins and fatty acids like fish, fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, etc. Add more natural food instead of processed food to your diet. Eating natural food is always better than popping a ton of multivitamin pills that come with a set of side effects. We highly advise consulting with a doctor first before using any kind of medicine. 2. Use a hair growth serum. The products you use to style and protect your hair can play a huge part in hair growth. Our hair growth scalp serum is clinically proven to improve visible hair growth by 30% within just 4 weeks, while also reducing visible hair loss by 50% over 12 weeks. You can use it on damp or dry hair, and we recommend applying it to areas of concern just before bed, so it has time to work overnight. This triple action serum effectively addresses signs of hair loss, improves visible hair growth, and increases hair density for fuller, thicker, and healthier looking hair. 3. Use homemade hair masks. In our humble opinions, hair masks are a bit underrated. While we definitely believe in the power of quality hair care with our essentials, like shampoo and conditioner, we find that the hair and skin is often lacking in moisture and hydration. A vegan hair mask is one of the best ways to supplement moisture in our hair for great shine, a happy scalp, and healthy locks. 4. Pick your hairbrush carefully. Every hair type needs a specific hairbrush that can untangle their knots. People don't research what brush is best suited for their hair type and buy the wrong kind. For example, if a comb is used on curly hair, the result would be a lot of hair pulling, which will make the roots weak. For wavy hair, a tangle teaser works best, and for curly hair, a big, wide-gaped hairbrush. You will have to put less effort while combing your hair with the right brush in your hand. 5. Eat fresh fruits and veggies. Fruit and vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that help to protect hair from the cellular damage caused by free radicals, smoking, pollution, and sunlight. These pollutants can cause hair falling and age spots. To help prevent hair damage, eat a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables and aim for at least 5 portions a day. 6. Drink plenty of water. Hair needs water to stay strong. Even mild dehydration will cause your hair to look dry. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Even if you're working from home, keep a bottle of water on your desk to remind you to drink. Don't forget that some fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon and cucumber, also contribute fluids. The added benefit is that the minerals they contain will increase the rate you hydrate your body and skin. 7. Stress less. Serious stress can send hair into a resting phase, skipping the stage that coaxes it to grow. It may put you at higher risk for a condition called alopecia areata, where your own immune system attacks your hair follicles. It could also lead to trichotillomania, a strong urge to pull out your hair. Your hair might grow back when you reduce the stress in your life or find ways to manage it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for new home style videos. See you in the next video.